Today I am hoping for this light modification we're installing. It might even be considered like factory replacement, but it is an aftermarket part. But I am hoping that this part we're doing is very simple and straightforward. But the on the 10 through 14 Mustangs, your brake light, they said it can get plastic, because it's plastic, it can get hazy and stuff on the cover. And it's also not LED like the taillights are apparently. So over here I got a brake light replacement aftermarket that's supposed to be like LED to match the rest of the turn signals on the car. So I'm going to do an install video for you guys and show you what this looks like here. Get that out of the wrapper. So there's what that looks like. Actually looks pretty nice. But the install apparently will only take about 15 minutes, so I'm going to walk you through that now, and we'll go ahead and knock this out here. So there's a little cover here on the back of the trunk that's blocking access to the brake light behind here. So there's just push pins. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 12 or so. So I just have a small little pry tool here, plastic, just to get behind each one. Now all you got to do is disconnect the brake light cord, and then there's 3 pins. 1, 2, 3, holding it in place, and then the brake light should come right out. Now the 3 pins that hold in the brake light are little screw pins. So to get them started, you just need a little Phillips head to get these loosened up before they come out. So here they are side by side. This is the one I just pulled out, and this is the new one right here. Won't be able to really tell exactly what's going on until we get inside the car to see what it looks like. So once that's done, just reinstall the cover, do all the push pins, and after that, your installation is finished. Well, there you have it, guys. Simple, easy, minimal time consuming install. Took me about 20 minutes, and I was just really going through the motions, taking my time, and it really took more time just pulling out all those individual push pins. So got the new LED tail light, brake light installed. I'm glad now that we have LED lights to match across the whole back of the car with the turn signal, the brake lights, everything. So it looks great, and no longer need this anymore. So if you liked the video and it's something you might want to do for your car, 10 through 14 Mustang is what that will be good for. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, give me a share if you would, maybe a comment down below, and we'll catch you in the next upload. Good night, guys.